Hey, hello, friend. Welcome to Calm English Studio. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Leo. Hi there. Before we begin, can we take one slow breath together, just to arrive in this moment?
Of course, let's breathe in and out. Good. I love starting this way. It makes everything feel softer.
Yeah, it really does. And today, we're talking about something simple, something all of us experience every day, our daily routines.
Your mornings, your afternoons, your evenings, these small moments quietly shape the rhythm of your life without you even noticing.
Some routines are calm, some are a little messy, some change from week to week, and honestly, that's completely okay. A routine doesn't need to be perfect to take care of you.
Exactly. And in this episode, we'll walk through a gentle, peaceful day together, told in slow, clear English, so you can relax, listen, and understand everything at your own pace.
You'll hear our stories, learn useful vocabulary, repeat a few sentences, and later, you'll get a chance to describe your own daily routine with little guided pauses.
We'll go slowly, step by step, so nothing ever feels rushed or stressful.
Right. And hey, if you're new here, you're always welcome to subscribe, only if it feels right for you. This is a soft space for gentle, calm English learning.
So, Leo, I'm curious. Do you actually follow a routine every single day?
Well, I try. Some days I do really well, and some days I just drink coffee and hope for the best.
I knew it. It's okay. We'll talk about your day soon. But maybe we should start with something a little quieter.
Yeah, let's ease into the beginning of the day, that soft moment when everything is still calm.
Whenever you're ready, let's step gently into the morning. So, morning. My mornings are probably the calmest part of my day. They don't always look perfect, but I try to begin slowly. When my alarm goes off, I don't jump out of bed right away. I just lie there for a moment, breathing, noticing the light in my room, and letting my body wake up gently.
Yeah, I've always admired that about you. Meanwhile, when my alarm rings, I'm like, 5 more minutes, please. But go on, what happens next?
Well, after a small pause, I sit up slowly and I stretch. Nothing complicated, just lifting my arms, rolling my shoulders, letting everything loosen a bit. I really like starting my body that way. It feels like saying good morning to myself.
Right. I always forget to stretch. Maybe that's why I sound like an old door in the morning. See, that's me.
Well, stretching does help. After that, I stand up, walk to the bathroom, and wash my face with cold water. It's one of my favorite moments. The cold water wakes me up instantly and makes me feel fresh, clean, and ready.
I know that feeling. That first splash of cold water is like, an instant reset.
Exactly. Then I brush my teeth, tie my hair back, and go to the kitchen. And yes, before you say anything, I make my morning drink.
Oh, here we go. Your famous morning drink. Let me guess. Herbal tea?
Sometimes, but on most mornings, I keep it simple. Warm water with a little lemon. It feels gentle, light, and clean. Some people need strong coffee right away, but I like giving my body something soft first.
That's very you. Meanwhile, I need coffee strong enough to wake up the whole neighborhood.
I believe that. After my drink, I usually make a small breakfast, nothing big. Sometimes it's yogurt with fruit, sometimes toast with honey, sometimes just a banana. I like simple things in the morning. They help me start the day without feeling heavy.
Yeah, your breakfasts always look peaceful. Mine usually look like whatever I can grab in 30 seconds.
Well, everyone has their own rhythm. After breakfast, I sit by the window for a minute. Not to meditate or anything formal, I just sit, look outside, listen to the quiet. It's like giving myself a tiny moment of stillness before the world gets noisy.
That sounds really nice. I think most of us skip that moment. We wake up, rush, move, hurry, and we don't let our minds settle.
Yeah, mornings don't have to be fast. Even a slow minute can change the whole day. And after that, I get dressed, tie my shoes, and step outside. The morning air always feels new, and I love starting my day with that feeling.
Your morning routine feels like a warm blanket. So calm, so gentle. I already feel more relaxed just listening to it.
I'm glad. And now, we can take a closer look at some of the simple English I used to describe my morning, so our listeners can talk about their mornings too, in a slow, easy way.
All right, that was a really calm morning, Emma. And I think a lot of people listening might want to talk about their mornings too, so maybe we should look at some of the simple words you used.
Yeah, that sounds nice. Let's go slowly, and let's choose just a few useful ones. Nothing difficult, just the words you need to describe a quiet, normal, everyday morning.
Perfect. What's the first one?
Stretch. I talked about stretching right after waking up. Stretch means to gently move your body, extend your arms, loosen your muscles. It's a soft way to wake up.
Yeah, and honestly, I should stretch more because right now, when I wake up, I sound like a wooden chair moving across the floor.
That's exactly why stretching helps. 2. Wash my face. This one is simple, but we use it every day. Wash my face means cleaning your face with water. For me, it wakes me up and makes me feel fresh.
Right. It's such a small action, but it really sets the tone for the morning.
3. Make a drink. I said I make my morning drink. This can be tea, coffee, warm water with lemon, anything you prepare to start the day.
Yeah, and in my case, make a drink usually means make a huge cup of coffee and pray for energy.
That still counts. 4. Simple breakfast. A simple breakfast means something small and easy. Toast, yogurt, fruit, cereal. You don't need fancy food to begin your day gently.
Yeah, mine is usually whatever I can find in 5 seconds, but hey, it still works.
5. Sit for a moment. This is one of my favorite phrases. To sit for a moment means to pause, to breathe, to give yourself a quiet minute without doing anything.
I love this. It's like a micro break for your mind.
Exactly. You don't need a long meditation, just a moment.
So these words, stretch, wash my face, make a drink, simple breakfast, sit for a moment, they're easy, but they help you describe your morning in soft, natural English.
And you can mix them however you want. For example, I wake up, stretch a little, wash my face, and sit for a moment before breakfast. Simple, slow, easy to say.
Right, and if you're listening, you can repeat the sentence with us, or say your own version in your head, or out loud, whatever feels good for you.
Now that we've explored the language of a calm morning, maybe it's time to move into a different energy.
Yeah, the afternoon. My afternoons are a little busier, a little faster, and sometimes a little chaotic, but still gentle enough to share.
So, whenever you're ready, let's step quietly into the middle of the day and listen to how Leo moves through his afternoon. Before we finish today, let's try one small speaking practice together. Don't worry, we'll keep it very simple and very calm.
Yeah, I'll say a sentence starter, and you can finish it in your own way. You can say it out loud or quietly in your mind, whatever feels comfortable.
Here's the first one. I wake up and...
Good. Now another one. In the morning, I usually...
One more. One thing that helps my morning feel calm is...
Beautiful. Even if you only said one sentence, that's already enough. Small steps help your English grow softly.
So, today we walked through a calm, gentle morning together. Thank you for spending this quiet time with us.
Yeah, and if you want to keep practicing, we made a small free PDF for you. It's in the description below. Inside, you'll find simple vocabulary, easy example sentences, and a tiny writing practice about your own morning routine.
And in another episode, we'll continue with the afternoon and evening, slowly, softly, just like today.
If this lesson made your morning feel a little calmer, you're welcome to give it a like. And you can subscribe only if it feels right for you.
Take care, friend, and may your next morning feel soft and peaceful.
See you soon, and keep your English calm.